You about to wash your shit? Sheesh. Goody. They told you to move your shit? Oh. Fuck it, you got twin.
Tell her.
Hey. You want to park? You need a parking spot? He's about to move over. This shit big as fuck. Sheesh. That shit different. Oh my god, I want that What the fuck is this? Alright guys, here you go again. Gotta fill up sometimes. Got some good runs in with the Nismo. She running healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Got some good runs in with the homies. I think it's not full bolt-on, but it's bolt-on tuned E85 350Z. So yeah, my Nismo completely stock, just got test pipes versus a bolt-on tuned E85 350Z HR, by the way. Can't go wrong. That was some good ass runs. So just know, when I go full bolt-on tune E85, this car's gonna be a fucking problem. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
Remember I was dead broke, I had to find a way. Watch if he's playing catch up, it was barely time to wait. It's hard to accept the love when you surrounded by the hate. Disrespecting my mother, I ain't had nowhere to stay. So I went and got my hustle on. Before I go make sure my money long. Somehow I made it through the thunderstorm.